video series about I'm taking a $25 business and scaling it to $10,000 per month. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, consider subscribing and scroll down and check on this. Okay, this is the playlist I created. So far I have 6 videos in which I'm showing you the strategy that I'm using step by step so I can scale this business. Okay, so you can replicate it and you can do it as well. Chances are that you're wondering, like, Diana, is this actually really possible to take a $25 business and scale it to $10,000 per month? Yes, it is. This is not like a shiny object syndrome. This is not a get rich scheme. But this is something that if you make the commitment and if you take action, watch the videos and replicate what I'm doing, you are gonna get success. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick video. My suggestion is go and check this playlist, which is called my $25 biz. Okay, and there are 2 things that you're gonna need. Okay, so in the description you're gonna find the link for step 1, step 2. Step 1 is the product that we are gonna be promoting. As you can imagine, well, it's $25. Okay, so if you want to be part of it, you will need to invest $25. There is a full description, but to make it quick, you're gonna have the product. Okay, you're gonna have the tools that you need. You're gonna have access to a mastermind, and we are also helping a cause, which is Feed My Starving Children. That's another reason why I decided to join. But full details and more strategy of how you can actually scale this business is gonna be on the very first link in the description. Do you need to apply all the strategies? No, you can actually keep by doing this one, and you're gonna get results. Okay, remember, you need to take action every single day. You need to be consistent in order to get results. So the second thing that we actually need is a way in which we're going to be driving traffic. So basically we need to have eyeballs of those who are going to be interested in the product or the service that you're going to be promoting. In my case, you're going to go with step number 2, and we're going to go here where it says my lead gen secret. Okay, here my lead gen secret, you're gonna notice that I'm getting 200 leads every single day. Every single day I'm getting 200 leads. So that means that I'm getting 200 people who are interested, in this case, in the niche of the make money online. Okay, so or MMO. But if you pay $1 per day, okay, and you have just one account, at the end of the day, it's up to you. You can have as many accounts as you want. You're gonna get 100 leads. Okay, 100 leads just by paying $1 every single day. Okay, these are new people. In my case, I'm getting 200, and you might be wondering, like, why are you getting bonus leads? Okay, because I'm getting the 100 because I'm paying. And if you decide to create a second account, and you're going to be using your own link, okay, which is going to be this one, okay, you're going to get a bonus. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Let's say that this is your first account, okay, and you're going to refer that, okay, and you have a second account. So in this account, you're going to get 200 leads because it's going to be the 100 plus the bonus, and in this one, you're going to get 100. So in total, you're going to get 300 leads. So in a month, you're gonna have 9,000 leads. Okay, just literally by paying $1 per account per day. Okay, you're gonna have as many accounts as you want. I know people who have 10 accounts, but if you can only start with one, that's okay. Go ahead and start with that one. Okay, so with that said, by now you should have the product. Okay, a little bit fast, but I already explained that here in several videos, and I don't want to be like super repetitive because I know that I do have people who are returning because they are taking action. I don't want to be this video long. So we have the product right now. We also have the eyeballs with my lead gen secret, but chances are that you're like, I'm not a copywriter. I don't know what to write about. Don't worry, I have you covered. On the very first link as well, you're gonna find these email swipes. Okay, I have pages of email swipes, and you can check then also on the videos. Okay, today I'm going to be using this one. It says subject earn 1,000 a month without leaving home. Here's how. Okay, so this is the one that we're going to be using. So I'm going to go to my lead gen secret account. I'm going to click here where it says mailing system. With my lead gen secret, you can send an email every 23 hours. I'm going to select them all. You're going to notice that this account is a little bit old. I have 25,300 people here. Okay, this is something that I have been using for quite some time. Okay, now the subject is going to be this one, earn. Okay, copy it. Remember, you're going to have it on the very first link as well. I'm also sharing other strategies there. You don't need to use them. You can actually stick to this one and you're gonna get the results. Okay, so now we're gonna have the body, hey, first name. Okay, I'm gonna show you, and there are some things that we will need to fix. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, first of all, I don't want everything to be bold, but I want the text to be 16. Why? Because there are people who are going to be getting these on their email. Chances are that you're wondering, like, Dana, what does this mean? Like, first, boom, boom, I don't know, fix. Okay, is this one. Okay, because when someone receives this email, they are going to say, like, hey, Susan, hey, Mark. Okay, here is first name. Okay, so let me give it a little bit format. Okay, and here is where I'm gonna put the link. Okay, so I'm gonna make it bold. You're gonna notice that I have these text bold. Okay, so that means that you're gonna put the link here. Okay, so the same with this email. You're gonna notice that this one is bold because you're gonna put the link here. Okay, so what's the link? Well, it's this one. Okay, we're gonna go here and we're gonna find this one, the all-in-one 25 business sales letter. Okay, so we're gonna copy this. Okay, we're gonna copy this, we're gonna choose this, we're gonna paste it. Okay, and we're gonna click here where it says perfect timing. So basically people are gonna receive this when we are gonna have more opportunities for them to open the email. So we're going to make sure that we're going to have everything. So I'm going to click here where it says preview. So here is the subject. Here is my email. Okay, so I have to make sure that I have my link. Okay, fantastic. And now I'm going to click here where it says send email. Okay, that's it. This is literally what you need to do every single day. Okay, I have several emails and I'm adding more emails. You're going to notice that I'm going to be adding also more videos, because I want to make sure that you're going to have all the resources that you need in order to be successful with this online business. Again, guys, this is not get risky. As you notice, I have been using this account for quite some time. Okay, 25,000 people here. And okay, so you're going to notice that I'm using this account, okay, for some time, and I really enjoyed this service. Okay, so if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. If you don't want to miss this playlist, please make sure that you're going to be subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell. And remember to put an eye here on my $25 best. Okay, and I see you on the next video.